Imagine stepping into your very first apartment. Every detail, quietly reflecting your story. It's more than a place to live. It's your beginning. Your independence. Your calm. A space for morning coffee on slow Sundays. For quiet nights. Soft light and the sound of home. A place to welcome friends. To celebrate tiny victories. To learn the beauty of living alone. In this video, you'll discover how to turn your first apartment into something truly yours, sophisticated, functional, and full of intention. Let's begin. Start with the entrance. That little space right behind the door. Often forgotten, but it sets the tone. Hang a full-length mirror with a slim frame. Add a narrow table, a candle, maybe a bowl for keys. Just enough to say welcome, softly and clearly. Place a thin rug with texture. Neutral colors. If there's room, add a simple wall hook or a modern coat rack. Small details, with quiet beauty. Now, let's walk into the living room. This is where life happens. Where you rest. Host. Laugh. Choose a sofa with clean lines in soft beige, light gray, or sand. Add pillows in linen, velvet, or knit. Natural textures that bring warmth. A wooden or frosted glass coffee table keeps things light. Top it with a tray, candles, a couple of books, and one small plant to bring life into the space. Lighting matters. A tall floor lamp with warm tones makes all the difference. Soft. Indirect. Comforting. Keep the art minimal, maybe 2 or 3 pieces. Abstract or black and white. Framed in thin wood, white, or matte black. Enough to add soul, without stealing the spotlight. Your TV corner? Keep it clean. A wood panel behind the screen. Floating shelves with soft LED lighting. Hide the cables. Keep only what's essential, a piece that means something. A photo. A memory. Now let's head to the kitchen. Even a small one can be beautiful. Use adhesive film to refresh cabinets. Flat doors. Muted tones. Simple handles. Add glass jars with labeled dry goods, both pretty and practical. Hang a small plant above the sink. Something green to soften the space. And if your kitchen is open to the living room, use the side wall wisely, for a coffee nook, a wine shelf, or open glass cabinets. Functional. Beautiful. Intentional. And your dining corner? It doesn't need to be big. Just thoughtful. Around. Table. 2 chairs, timeless, like the Eames. A pendant light above. A round mirror to reflect light and space. Candles or a dried flower arrangement for a finishing touch. Now, the bedroom. The heart of your rest. Go with soft colors, beige, taupe, light gray. Layer textures, cotton sheets, linen duvet, a cozy knit throw. 2 or 3 pillows in calming tones. No headboard? Use wallpaper or a wood panel to frame the bed. It creates depth. Warmth. Add soft lighting. Bedside lamps or slim sconces. Don't forget the rug, soft underfoot, grounding the space. Let the curtains fall to the floor. They make the room feel taller. Softer. And if you like, add a scent. Lavender. White tea. Something gentle. Something yours. The bathroom? Small spaces can be stunning. A round mirror with backlighting. Neutral tiles. A ceramic tray. Maybe. A small plant. Glass containers. Baskets for towels. It's all about simplicity. Even the laundry space can feel thoughtful. Open shelves. Labeled containers. Brooms hidden behind doors. Folded towels stacked neatly. Order that feels effortless, and finally, the most important part of it all, planning. Think in sections. Choose a palette and stay with it. Save references. Take your time. Let your apartment grow with you. If this video helped or inspired you, subscribe for more calm, curated ideas. Click like. And tell me, which room are you most excited to decorate? Now close your eyes. Take a breath. And imagine your home, just the way you dreamed it. This is your start. And it's going to be beautiful.